What's up guys, cmod here, back with a brand new video. Today we're going to be checking out the Boya BY-MM1 microphone. This microphone only costs about $19 on Amazon. Anyways, we're going to be seeing if this $19 microphone is worth the upgrade from your built-in smartphone or camera microphone. Alright, here we go, and finally we can see what's inside this package. Alright, looks like we got some stickers, nice, and we got some instructions and stuff for how to use the microphone. This, however, you should stay away from, that is dangerous. Alright, so here's the microphone itself. As you can see, it's kind of small, and we got a giant wind muffler on it. Underneath here is where you plug in your cord. Okay, so looks like this product right here is something where you can attach your microphone to the camera and also keeps it from shaking around too much. We got two cords here, one for the smartphone, the other for the camera, and we got ourselves a leather bag where we can store all our items in, especially the microphone when not using it. Pretty nice. Okay guys, so I am currently testing out the microphone, not my built-in one. This is the microphone I just bought. We are testing to see how good it sounds and how well it goes against the that little AC over there. It's pretty loud, I'm not going to lie. So now we're going to test it with my built-in camera microphone on you and see if there's a difference. Okay guys, so we are testing out the built-in microphone with my camera to see how good it sounds currently. Hopefully it sounds pretty decent. Don't know how well it's picking up the audio or the AC over there. Hopefully not by much. Alright guys, we're testing out the non-built-in microphone that I just bought from the store just to see how good it sounds. Let me know what you think. Okay guys, so this is the built-in microphone right here. This is what it sounds like. Let me know what you think. Okay guys, so after testing out and listening to the Boya microphone compared to my built-in microphone on the Sony ZV-E10, I have to say the Boya microphone might actually be a step up from the built-in microphone. Now, there is a downside though, and that is the wind muffler. I don't know why, but this thing barely worked, at least in the footage that I had in this video. If you saw it already, the AC part, you could hear it pretty loud in this microphone compared to my built-in microphone. Now, again, that would probably be because of this wind muffler here, which I guess they didn't put a lot of money into compared to the actual microphone itself, which is fine. I get it. You gotta take some shortcuts in some areas, especially for paying 19 bucks for something like this. But overall, the microphone is pretty good in my opinion. But again, you might have a different opinion. You could always save the $19 and try and get a higher end microphone instead. But if you're someone who really wants to get a better microphone quickly and doesn't want to wait around, then this might be for you. Anyways, I'm going to end this video here guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to smash the like button. If you're new, subscribe with notifications on. Make sure to check out all my other videos on the channel. You might enjoy some of them. That being said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.